Thank you so much. I'm sure that today, by the way, we will get definitely best of the best. We already have best of the best North American startups today, and but still one will automatically will get to the finals, which we're going to have on the 18th of February. I'm sure that judging also, by the way, from the from the excitement which I've heard from our startup founders, they are also really waiting for this. And at the end of this battle, we're going to know who is the winner. But anyway, I'm sure that all of us will have an excitement today. But it's about this we'll talk a bit later. Definitely, we want to share. We want also to share the number of our partners, and also we want to say thank you to them for supporting us. We want to welcome our new partners, which are Startup Grant, which are Goal Global World. Expert Dojo is already not for the first time our partner, and KPMG also our partners for Startup Network and Unicorn Events as well. But also apart from partners, we are also very grateful to our judges. Before one will go to them today, let me welcome our startup founders and their awesome projects. So let me introduce the AI company. We'll talk about them later, but right now we'll definitely go to jury's introduction. And let me just start with the CEO of Startup Network, Alexander Soroka. Alexander, the floor is yours. I'm sure you also have a very interesting news to share at the beginning of our season, winter season 2021.
Hello, Maria. Thank you very much.
Hi, how do you do?
Good. How are you?
I'm good.
Yes,
Thanks.
our funds really invest mostly in the United States and Europe, and our checks are from 100 to 400 Ks. We are industry agnostic and prefer to invest in late seed or around A stages. Thank you very much, Maria.
Thank you so much. I would like also right now to ask every of our judges introduce himself or herself very quickly about UVC fund, the check size, the industry you're interested in, which startups like for you are the most exciting, and etc. Would like to be the next. Maybe maybe Henry, would you like?
Would you like me to go?
Oh, hi Jordan. How do you do?
Good morning. I am Jordan from Silicon Valley Venture Group. We are a investment group and a sidecar fund. We invest in all sectors that has a positive contribution to the human conditions. Check sizes between 30,000 and 300,000. Round sizes 300K to 3 million. We like equity and convertible notes. We not too big on safe notes. Just a tip to the pitch person today, keep your answers short to the questions so most of us have opportunities to speak to you. And thank you, Alexander the Great, and Maria the Magnificent, and Anna the Awesome for putting this together.
Jordan the wisest. Did you take your yellow cards today? Oh, we don't hear you. You're muted.
No, it's COVID, so we're not going to put anybody in the sideline. It's not healthy.
Okay.
I'll just go very quickly. I heard you call my name, Maria. Henry Ann here. So I have an advisory firm called HHN Capital. I provide CFO and COO services to startup and SMB. Also a venture partner of a venture fund focusing on early stage. When I say early stage, I would say late seed to let's say Series B, roughly Series B. I spend a lot of time in fintech, blockchain, consumer, AI, ML, and enterprise. Thank you, Startup Network, for inviting me. Looking forward to work with Maria, Anna, Alexander, and the team at Startup Network, and look forward to the pitch at the events here. Thank you so much.
Hello, everyone. It's Kelly here, founder and investor of Men's International. Thank you, Alexandra, Julia, and Maria, and also Anna for inviting me for this event. So although we have experienced the COVID-19 pandemic, it's actually a great opportunity for entrepreneurs because for the first time in global history, so much money was printed and interest rates were kept low. So capital is always looking for good investment portfolios. So I wish each one of you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, Kelly. Thank you, Henry. I won't dedicate too much time to it, but definitely about the topic which you were saying, maybe this is the reason why right now more and more people are interested to go crypto. But this is for probably another type of conference. I can still talk about this, but also right now, I think we are going to have as well in our future battles some of the interesting blockchain solutions as well. Right now, Gary, maybe you would like to jump in.
Sure. It's great to be here. My name's Gary Fowler. I'm a serial entrepreneur and investor. I've done 17 startups. I've had the pleasure of be either co-founding or be involved in original management team of 2 unicorns. I was on the original management team of Click Software, which was sold to Salesforce for $1.35 billion 20 months ago. And I'm also the co-founder of Viva.ai, a unicorn that I started in Silicon Valley with David Yang. I'm an investor also. We have a $100 million impact fund that we're building in Atlanta focused on the Black community. And also I have our private money involved in a fund. It's about a $100 million fund. I'm the poor guy of the group. I'm the country boy, but I got a couple of billionaire friends that are investors. So we love AI. In the last year, I've written 112 articles on artificial intelligence in magazines like Forbes. Also quantum computing, quantum networks. So specifically interested in investing in those companies. My company is Get Shit Done Venture Studios out of Silicon Valley. We curate companies from around the world and use Silicon Valley as a port.
Thank you so much, Gary. I'm sure that you're just sometimes being modest, but anyway, talking about yourself, I mean. Thank you. Who would like to jump in right now? Maybe. Sorry.
Hi, everybody. I'm Zohar. I'm from the Silicon Valley, San Francisco Bay Area. I'm partner and co-founder of AMZ Group. We are a company that mentors and invests in startups. We invest anywhere from $50,000 to $1 million, mostly pre-seed and round A. We also have a construction company here in the Bay Area, and I'm new here, first time to judge, and very excited to be here.
Thank you so much, Zohar. Who is going to be the next one?
I can do that. This is Francois. I'm from Camea Investimentos in São Paulo in Brazil. What we do is we sell strategic advice. We devise strategies, we devise investment theses, and we implement it through M&A, through mentoring for startups, and through financings. We go and go for the best money for the company. We do that for big companies, for M&A, and we always have like 3-4 startups under our easel to help them usually in technology nowadays, but it's not always been the case. But right now, technology, of course, it's the big moment, and including crypto.
Oh, interesting, Francois. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining. Who would like to proceed? Frederick, hi.
Hi, Maria, and Anna, and Alexander, and everybody else, all fellow judges. It's great to be here. Thanks again for having me. The week doesn't feel complete if I haven't attended at least one unicorn battle. And this week, I think I have 2 or 3. So it's a good week, great week. Always exciting to see great startups as well. I'm based in Copenhagen, working for a company called Merge Drilling, where I'm head of innovation scouting, looking for startups around the world for interesting investments from 100,000 to $1 million. So exciting to see what we have today.
Thank you so much. I think I'm sure that you also will excited. Definitely. Who would like to proceed? Maybe Sud here.
Oh, I can, yeah. My name is Slava Pelisny. I'm a managing partner of Network Investments, which, as Anna said, is a meeting point for investment bankers and investment professionals. Actually, we're creating such network to exchange deals, to enlarge deal flows of each other, and to have this global scale. And I'm looking majorly for Series A or Series B startups. Thanks.
Thank you so much. Let me check somebody who's raised a hand. Please unmute yourself and speak, because maybe I haven't seen the raised hand.
This is David.
Hi, David.
I can go next. I'm David Mandel, Managing Partner of Emerging Ventures. We're a Southern California-based venture firm that invests in early-stage emerging technology startups. I'm also on the board of Pasadena Angels, where I'm very active in their selection committee. So I'm wearing multiple hats here, representing an angel group and my fund.
Thank you so much, David. Who would like to proceed, or should I invite you to speak more? Everyone, Jim, how do you do?
Hi, Jim Simmons, Goodspeed Ventures. We do enterprise deep tech hardware. We'll do a new fund in a few years. So right now we're supporting our existing investments. We love entrepreneurs, and we think we've got a couple of good deals coming along.
Thank you so much. Glad that all of you have gathered here. Jules, Itai, I'm sorry, who would like to proceed?
Yes. Hi, so we are Heroic Ventures. We're an early stage first money in VC based in Palo Alto in California. We focus on investments in Silicon Valley and Israel. We invest as early as possible, many times when there is only a presentation. Our average check size is about $500,000, and we can do follow-ons. We focus our investments on teams and on TAMs. Smart and entrepreneurial teams, know each other well, huge TAM, relevant background, can hire great people, and can articulate the problem and solution well. We are sector agnostic. We make decisions very fast, usually in the first meeting. We are the first investors in companies like Ethos, Scalar, Brave, TrueWork, and others. And that's it. I look forward to seeing startups today.
Thank you so much. Jules.
Good morning. Nice to see everybody. I am also based in the Silicon Valley. Jules Walker. I head up business development for KPMG's U.S. emerging technology practice, which we call private enterprise. In that role, I deal with young companies up through unicorns and aspiring IPO candidates, and talk to them about all different things KPMG can do for them. On a personal note, I do some angel investing, a pretty broad swath of interests from frontier tech, kind of space tech, ag tech, enterprise software, and I do dabble in some Israeli investments as well. And great to be here once again. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Jules. Maybe Sudhir raised his hand, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, I'll go next. Go next. Thank you. Thank you so much. And Happy New Year to all of you, because I think this is the first time in the American theater that we are doing this pitch competition. And I'm Sudhir Kadam, venture partner at FIDA Growth Partners based in Silicon Valley in Mountain View. Our portfolio comprises of B2B frontier tech startups in AI, NLP, AR, VR, computer vision, IoT, robotics, as well as medical devices, okay, and autonomous enterprises. My role at FIDA is of venture building to put startups with early adoption on the right go-to-market path and provide market access for growth and scale. We are very exit focused, so we look for companies with early adoption, product market fit, and who are on a path to repeatable traction. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I can see that Arkady has also raised his hand. How do you do? Hi.
Hi. Hi, everyone. Thanks for having me here. As you can see my background, I'm based in Kiev, Ukraine, but we're doing deals globally. I'm probably like the youngest kid on the block. We just started last year. Started with food tech. We've grown a local food delivery champion, which we're taking international right now. But we're looking at deals across across the ocean as well. We're sector agnostic, early stage, meaning pre-seed, seed, Series A, $250K to $1 million. Happy to meet everyone and to potentially to cooperate. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Brett, how are you today?
Well, thank you guys for having me. Brett Noyce, Fund Ventures. We run an investor syndicate, invest in companies globally through SPVs. Primary focus on fintech, SMB automation, future of work. And as you can tell, I have a little colleague with me today. And general check size is 100K to 250K.
Thank you so much. Oh, is it your son, or who is that?
Yeah, it's my son. This
awesome.
is Dave. This is our CEO. I thought I'd bring him along today.
Are you training him on all the ins and outs of investment, or is he just observing right now?
He's got to learn it all. we should probably set up a special meeting for an education session.
It's Brett's best investment, I bet.
I think that our like meetings and our battles are becoming like more family type. So this is really cool. Daniel, if I'm not mistaken, you just raised your hand. How are you? Hi.
Yeah, I'm doing great, guys. Good to see everyone again. Happy to join to be a judge today. Quickly about myself, who don't know me, I'm the founder of Go Global World. This is a non-profit community for entrepreneurs around the world who are trying to build businesses and bring businesses in different countries. So we are partnering with Unicorn Battles and Startup Network, and I'm happy to be a judge as well. And happy to connect with any one of you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Who would like to proceed? Maybe raise your hand or please just unmute yourself and speak.
I can go next. So it's a pleasure to be a judge at the Unicorn Battle. I'm also based in Brazil, in São Paulo. I'm a marketing manager at AB InBev, so I'm overlooking our biggest beer brand here in Brazil and basically doubling down on digital solutions, entertainment, and looking for innovative companies which can help our portfolio. And on a personal note, I also do some angel investments, focused basically on teams and proven MVPs and in diverse industries.
Thank you so much, Adriana. Who would like to?
I'll go. This is David Credible. I'm here with Vista Capital Advisors, splitting my time between New York and Miami. That's the view out my back window right now. Just here for the first time. Glad to be a part of Unicorn.Events and looking forward to meeting a lot of interesting new ventures. Deal size, we do 1 to 500,000 ticket size, and looking at typically early stage type of companies, primarily in the life sciences industry, but I also have a personal interest in energy and technology as well.
Thank you so much, David. Who would like to be the next one?
I'll go probably. Arijit.
Hi, Arijit.
Hi everyone, and good to be here once again. I think that you guys are doing fantastic, and happy new year to every one of you. So this is Arijit Bhattacharya. I am a serial entrepreneur and an angel investor. Got approx 17 different portfolio companies of mine. Took exit from 3 last year. And I represent a company called Avenue Global based out of Australia, which is another investment fund that we created. So the way that we look at it is like 50K is the starting investment capital that I usually follow, and that can go up to $1 million per investment. And apart from that, I am advisory committee of Startup India Award Committee, sit in the Government of India on a basis of advisor and consultant. I'm a consultant to Asian Development Bank and ex-GBG, like Google for Business. Once upon a time, I used to create communities, created multiple communities in my life. And last year, we created an excellent platform for entrepreneurs and businesswomen, which is called World Leaders Summit. Happened in December for 10 days with around 90 plus countries participation. Happy to be here. Looking forward to see the startups. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Arijit. If I'm not mistaken, we still have our new guest, John. How are you today? If I'm not mistaken, only you haven't spoken so far.
Yeah, good morning, everybody. My name is John Kojo Moriwaka. My nickname is Crazy John. So great to see everybody here. And I'm based in Japan. It's 1 a.m. in Japan, so a little bit sleepy, but very, very excited to be here. So hope all your families and friends staying safe and happy. I couldn't go back to Silicon Valley. I personally belong to Life Science Angels and Harvard Business School Alumni Angels. And I'm visiting professor at IU. That's a new Japanese university. Only we are helping students become entrepreneurs. So hope everybody come to Japan and educate and teach our students together to change the world. And I'm an owner of Moriwaka Medical. It's a family-owned business for 50 years. We're selling medical devices we love to invest in medical devices around the world and inviting all new technology to Japan to save more lives together. And also columnist of Forbes Japan. So if you have interesting projects, innovative ideas, let me interview all of you. And I founded Silicon Valley startup grind Fukuoka last year. So love to also collaborate with all of you. Thank you so much. Best luck for all startup pitches, and nice to see everybody, like judges. Thank you so much, Anna, Maria, Lena, and Katerina for inviting me again. Thank you. Love from Japan.
Thank you so much, John. Keith, how are you today? Oh, maybe there are like some internet problem sometimes.
No.
Can you hear me?
Yes, good day to everybody. Can you hear me okay?
Yes, right now, yeah.
Hi, well, congratulations to all the startups today who are appearing today and make their presentation. Excited to hear what everybody has in store. I'm founder of IPA Equities. We are industry agnostic, investing in Series A. Check sizes are between 2 to 10 million. And just excited to see, what the start of the year is going to be like here. And great to see everybody's faces who came back and see the community grow.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Keith. And I'm really excited that we more and more are joining us today. So far, right now, I think that all of the judges have spoken.